I think first of all we should have a big round of applause for the whole GD Goenka team for having put such a great show in Jhajjar. It is indeed my great privilege and honor to be present here on this very auspicious and grand occasion of the annual day function of GD Goenka School, Jhajjar. And I am very happy to see that GD Goenka is doing excellent work not only in developing the personality of the child, also in developing their mindset, their thinking and mentality, which in any case in future decides the future of the country. We see any government program, whether it is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Save Environment or any kind of social festival, GD Goenka team has been putting the values upright in their students, and the whole team deserves accolade. And specifically if we see the physical infrastructure as well as the faculty which GD Goenka is providing for its students in Jhajjar, they deserve applauds and applauds, because such kind of school is one of the best in the entire NCR region. And I congratulate the whole team. Even if they are in the nascent stages, they are I think in the third year, and with lot of efforts I see their principal and their teachers, lot of efforts. Okay, I am corrected. So second year of their starting, and the second batch is still not out. They would be graduating in March or April. So it is only the second year and they have set up such a beautiful infrastructure, and they have all kind of extracurricular activities in their school, whether it is horse riding or swimming or special language teaching skills or any kind of sports. And we have seen in today's annual function all kind of talents being presented, not only by the senior students but also by the little kids of pre-nursery, nursery and primary section.
I felt, first of all, I felt very proud. छाती सी चौड़ी हो गई कि हमारे हरियाणा में इतना बढ़िया स्कूल खुल रहा है. भीतर पड़ता मैंने लगा कि से महाराज के पैलेस में आ गए भाई. फिर ने बैठा था भाई बालक पढ़ा कर तो कसूता स्कूल खोल रखा है भाई आड़े, और बच्चे बड़े खुश लग रहे हैं, एंथुजियास्टिक लग रहे हैं. जब मैंने प्रिंस जी से पूछा था कि आपका स्पोर्ट्स का और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ का क्या क्या है, तो उन्होंने जो लिस्टिंग बताई, तो मेरे ख्याल से ये स्कूल हमारे प्रदेश को, हमारे देश को काफ़ी आगे ले जाएगा. That's all I want to say. Thank you for inviting me, Mr. Solanki. It's a wonderful school and I would like to come spend time here other than this function. Thank you very much.